Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Yeah. Actually, this question should have been directed to Honorable Koya, but I'll take that question. Mr. Speaker, sir, April 2019 is when this work started. And in March 2020, that's when the COVID cases came to Fiji, and there was some disruption in the country as well as globally. There were some, we had issues with the travels, and therefore the team from Singapore could not come to Fiji. And for last 2 years, they are not in Fiji. However, some work has continued through email, but we are waiting for the borders to open. As soon as the borders open, they'll be able to come into the country and complete the work. So the work is still pending. There are about 4 or 5 stages, but they have completed up to 3 stages. Because the stages involves data collection, and then with the data, then do the scheme planning, consultation, and so forth. So it's a very long process before they have to follow this long process, and after consultation, they'll be able to come up with a master plan. And this master plan will be able to solve a lot of problem for the people of this country. At the moment, if somebody wants to build something in a particular zone, and if it is not classified residential commercial, then they have to put in an application to Department of Town and Country Planning, and that takes a lot of time because the zoning process itself is cumbersome. It requires consultation with the people who live around that place. But if the master plan is able to, the master plan will provide the zones. So if somebody wants to build a commercial building, we just have to look at the master plan and say, right, this is commercial zoning. There's no reason why we have to reconsider or do anything extra, and then the approval can be given. So there are benefits with the master plan, but at this stage, it's still not complete. Thank you.